How to remove a Gmail account on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove a Gmail account on Android. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now first things first, what you'll have to know is unfortunately on the Gmail application itself there is no any option to remove your account or sign out your account. However, to remove it on from your device, from your Gmail as well, or to remove the Gmail or Google account from your device, what you can do is first you want to head into your device settings. On your settings, you want to scroll down and head into the option that says accounts and backups. Now here you can see accounts and backups. You want to tap on it and then you want to select the option that says manage accounts. Once you tap on manage accounts, you'll be able to see the list of accounts that your device has, that you are signed in on your device. Then you can simply tap on a particular Google or the Gmail account that you wish to remove from your device, and then tap on remove account option, and then it'll get removed. So this way you can remove a Gmail account on Android. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.